Welcome back to my channel. My name is thnakyou, and for today's look I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful look. If you want to see how I create this look, please keep watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. For today's look, I'm gonna start using this concealer. This one is from Revolution. This one is concealer and define. I'm going to apply this concealer all over my lids. That way I cover the pigmentation, and I am taking this concealer until these areas. If you don't have dark pigmentation, you just apply one eyeshadow primer and it's gonna be okay. I'm taking this color, and this one is a contour palette. This one is from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna start applying this color all over my crease. I'm doing circle motions and I am going in windshield motion. Now I'm going to do the same thing on my eye and another eye. I'm taking this palette, and this one is from Be Bella Cosmetic. I'm grabbing this color and I'm just tapping this color in my outer V right now. I am going back later to blend. This is a beautiful color. I'm going to do circle motions in here with the same brush. After I apply the color, I'm blending these colors together. I'm grabbing this color. I'm going to put this color on my crease. I love this color as a transition color. It's beautiful. I am going back with this color, but I'm using different brush. I changed my brush and I am using this one. This one is from BH Cosmetic. I'm just blending the colors together. I'm going to be cleaning my lid a little. This look is going to be very simple. It's going to be for the day. For the same palette, now I am grabbing this color. I'm going to apply this color right here. I did it first with my finger, and now I'm doing it with the brush. I'm going back with this color. I'm going to apply this color a little on top of the golden color. I like to blend very well this color together. That way it doesn't look the lines between the colors. I'm taking this color again and I am blending these corners. And now I'm going a little in and I go down with this brush, and this one is from e.l.f. It's an angle brush. This is one of my favorite brush to do this kind of trick in here. I'm taking this color again and I'm going to blend. So I'm using this gel. This one is from L'Oreal and the tone Blackest Black 171. I'm going to be fixing my eyeliner and I'm going to be applying my mascaras out of camera, so I'll be right back. Today I'm not using a fake eyelashes. I am using my own lashes. Always like to put a lot of mascaras. I don't know why, but first I'm using this primer, and this one is from NYX. I'm using this Rimmel London mascara and I love this mascara because I like these two together. Of course, I love this one from Prosa. What I like about this mascara is the brush. It's very big brush. When the mascara has a big brush, I feel give you a lot of volume, and that's why I like this mascara. I apply this black pencil on my top waterline. I'm going to apply this water. This one is from Mario Badescu. For primer, I am going to apply this one, and this one is from Hard Candy, and applying this primer all over my face. I already hydrate my face. I am going to apply a little of this Healthy Glow. I'm just applying it on my high cheekbones. For foundation, I am using this one, and this one is from Wet n Wild, and I am mixing it with this foundation, and this one is from Maybelline La Super Stay. I'm just applying maybe like one drop. I'm going to blend my foundation with this brush, and this one is from Beauty Creation. I always like to apply my foundation with my brush, and later I like to pass with my sponge. For concealer, I'm going to be using these two, and this one is from Milani and this one is from Revolution. Milani is in the tone medium beige. Never mind about Revolution. I'm going to apply a little of this concealer on top of the Milani. I'm going to be blending my concealer with the Senna sponge. I blend my foundation. I feel my skin is very dry today. I hydrate my skin very well today, and I feel like still feels very dry. That's why it's very important to go sleep and do your night routine. I was too lazy last night and I did not did it with this brush, and this one is from Beauty Creation. I'm going to be setting my concealer with this translucent powder, and this one is from RCMA. I just tap this product. For browns, I'm using these two. This one is from Wet n Wild and this one is from Milani. I start applying this bronze on my forehead, and I go a little close to my hairline. That way it doesn't look too bad. I like to take the color a little down. For blush, I'm going to be mixing this one and this one from this palette, and this one is from Becca. I go and pass first on my hand. From the same palette, I'm using this highlight. I am contouring my nose with this palette, and this one is from Essence. I like to contour my nose just on the middle and taking the shade. Now I come back to this shade and blending these colors together, taking this color a little out, that way all the colors blend together. I'm going to apply a little of this color and I'm applying it on my waterline. Now I am taking this shade. I'm gonna mix these two together. I'm gonna apply these two colors together on my inner dot, just giving a little pop of color. I love this look. I feel it's very simple, very cute. I'm going to apply this primer, and this one is from NYX. I'm gonna start with this one from Clinique. I'm using this eyeliner, and this one is from Wet n Wild. On my lips, I'm using these two eyeliners. I am applying this one first, and this one is from Wet n Wild and the tone Brandy Wine. And after I apply this one, and this one is from LA Girl in the tone Natural Cream. Now on top of the eyeliners, I'm gonna apply this lipstick, and this one is from Wet n Wild. Doesn't has the name, that's how I buy it. To set my face, I apply this NYX water, and this is Bear With Me. I was forgetting my eyebrows, so I gonna do it. I'm applying this, and this one is from L'Oreal in the tone Dark Brunette. I just like to follow my natural hair. I did brush my brows with soaps. I'm going to brush my eyebrows with this gel, and this one is from MK Makeup. I just like the gel at this pencil. From this palette, I'm taking this highlight, and this one is from Mary Kay. With this color, I'm going to highlight my brows. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.